Every flower starts with just a few simple pipe cleaners. Today, let's turn them into a beautiful poinsettia. For today's project, you'll need the materials shown on the screen. Let's get started. Take one red pipe cleaner and measure 12 centimeters. Fold it here. Then measure another 8 centimeters from the fold and twist it to secure. Shape it into a leaf. Now take the longer tail and wrap it once around the tip of the leaf to lock the shape in place. Leave about 1 centimeter at the top, then trim off the excess. This center pipe cleaner will become the main vein that gives the leaf its realistic shape. Next, take another red pipe cleaner and bend a tiny hook at one end. Starting about 1 centimeter below the tip of the leaf, hook it onto the center stem and pinch it tightly to secure. Bring the pipe cleaner up to the top edge of the leaf, then fold it over to the opposite side. Turn the leaf over. Use your left thumb to hold the center stem firmly, then wrap the filler pipe cleaner once around the center stem. Now guide it back to the opposite edge of the leaf and continue wrapping. Repeat the same process, moving from one side to the other while wrapping around the center stem each time. This creates the realistic veins and fills the entire leaf evenly. I'll leave this part at normal speed so you can clearly see the wrapping process. If you'd like, you can speed up the video using YouTube's playback settings. This step takes a little more time, but don't rush it. Just keep wrapping back and forth at a steady pace. As the leaf gradually fills up, you'll notice the beautiful veins starting to appear. It's a simple technique, but it really makes a big difference to the final look. If you're crafting along with me, just pause the video whenever you need and take your time. When one pipe cleaner runs out, trim off the small excess piece and continue with another pipe cleaner. Keep wrapping until you reach the bottom of the leaf. Whenever I'm making flowers like this, I actually enjoy taking my time. It may look repetitive, but this wrapping technique is what gives the leaf its realistic texture. Once you get used to it, you'll probably find it quite relaxing too. Once you reach the bottom, wrap the pipe cleaner once around the leaf frame on each side before trimming the excess. This helps lock the wrapping in place so it won't slide out later. Trim off any excess pipe cleaner. Next, use pliers to gently flatten the edges of the leaf. Don't forget to flatten the center vein as well. Now use a lighter to carefully melt the very tip of the leaf into a nice sharp point. Lightly remove any loose fibers around the edges. Then use a flat iron to gently press the leaf flat. Trim the fuzzy fibers around the stem. Then lightly singe them with the lighter for a cleaner finish. And that's one leaf finished. Repeat the same steps using all the sizes and quantities shown on the screen. Feel free to adjust the sizes and make as many leaves as you'd like to create a fuller, more natural looking poinsettia. Now let's make the flower center. Take 10 flower stamens and fold them in half. Hook a red pipe cleaner around the folded stamens and wrap it tightly to secure everything together. Glue the flower center onto a floral stem. Now we can start assembling the poinsettia. Begin with the smallest red leaves. Glue them around the flower center one by one. Next, add the medium-sized red leaves. Then attach the largest red leaves. The poinsettia is famous for its bright red color and is one of the most iconic Christmas plants. Interestingly, those beautiful red parts aren't actually flowers. They're colorful leaves called bracts. The tiny yellow flowers are right in the center. Finally, glue on the green leaves. Again, starting from the smallest and working your way to the largest. Now let's finish the stem. Take some green floral tape and gently stretch it first to activate the adhesive. Starting from the bottom of the leaf stems, wrap upward all the way to the top of the floral stem. Once you reach the top, simply wrap your way back down to cover the entire stem evenly. This helps secure all the leaves firmly in place while giving the stem a clean, natural finish. And that's our beautiful pipe cleaner poinsettia finished. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If there's another pipe cleaner project you'd like to learn, Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!